Hi everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn how you can use the Eisenhower Matrix to manage your time and achieve goals fast. So, what is Eisenhower Matrix? The Eisenhower Matrix, also known as the Urgent Important Matrix, is a time management tool that helps you prioritize tasks based on their urgency and importance. It was named after Dwight D. Eisenhower, the 34th President of the United States, who famously said, "What is important is seldom urgent, and what is urgent is seldom important." Well, how does this matrix work? I request you to grab a pen and paper and let's get started. The matrix is divided into 4 quadrants. First, urgent and important. Second, important but not urgent. Third, urgent but not important. And lastly, neither urgent nor important. Now, I will give you some examples from the day-to-day tasks of a software engineer on how you can divide any task into these 4 sections. I have taken few tasks which include bathing, cooking, work time, and study. First and foremost, write down your goals and tasks on a piece of paper. Now, let's categorize these tasks based on the 4 classifications. Urgent and important. Urgent and important include tasks that need immediate attention and are critical to your goals. Bathing, a daily necessity for personal hygiene. Cooking breakfast and dinner, essential daily tasks that need immediate attention. You cannot skip a day without eating. Washing dishes needs to be done regularly to maintain cleanliness. These tasks cannot be skipped a single day. Important but not urgent. Tasks that are important but can be scheduled for later. Studying any programming language, crucial for professional growth but not urgent so can be scheduled. Solving data structures and algorithms, important for skill enhancement and job performance. Working on personal projects, important for personal and professional development but can be planned. These tasks are crucial for fulfillment of your long-term goals, but we can skip a day or 2 without any of them. Therefore they come in important but not urgent category. Urgent but not important. Tasks that require immediate attention but are not crucial to your goals. For example, interruptions like some emails or sudden meetings. Room cleaning, while important for a clean environment, it can be skipped for a day or 2 without posing any threat to your goals. Also, it can be delegated, meaning we can pass this job to someone else like a room cleaning service. Neither urgent nor important. Tasks that are neither urgent nor important and can be eliminated. Which are time-wasting activities, excessive social media, or any trivial tasks. Taking control of your life with the Eisenhower Matrix is a powerful strategy for effective time management and prioritization. By categorizing tasks based on their urgency and importance, you can focus on what truly matters, reduce stress, and enhance productivity. This method not only helps in managing daily tasks but also aligns your actions with long-term goals, ensuring a balanced and fulfilling life. Embrace the Eisenhower Matrix to make informed decisions, delegate wisely, and eliminate distractions, ultimately leading to a more organized and controlled life.